Are you tired of doing the same task, over and over again? And so, did you know that artificial intelligence agents could automate your work? With agents, you can do more in less time. It's like having an army of helpers. More importantly, you can gain significant competitive advantage. The fact is 94% of companies are stuck doing repetitive, time-consuming tasks, mundane tasks that drain us and our people. Most of our colleagues can't focus on what matters because they are bogged down in the details. All right, now let's dive into AI agents, shall we? First of all, we all get to deal with the reality of the daily grind. So, here's a question for you. How many of your direct reports spend over 20 hours a week on repetitive tasks? Well, let's take a look at the data. It shows that 25% of managers do exactly that. That's half a work week spent on tasks that don't require strategic thinking. And here's the kicker. 68% of employees say they have too much work to handle. We're not just talking about busy people. We're talking about people reaching their breaking point. By the way, you can see the sources on the screen. In this case, data is from DocuClipper and KissFlow. All right, let's check what are leading organizations doing right now. While you're wondering what to do, 70% of Fortune 500 companies are already using AI agents for repetitive tasks like email sorting, meeting notes, and customer queries. And that's just the beginning. 82% of large enterprises plan to integrate AI agents within the next 1 to 3 years. Now, the question really isn't whether this is coming or not. The question is, are you going to lead or fall behind? I will give you a few more facts to help you understand what kind of opportunities we are looking at. The cost savings and efficiency realized were automating repetitive tasks. It saves an average of 8 hours per week per employee. Organizations report a 12% workforce capacity increase after implementing automation, a cost reduction of 24% for companies using automation effectively. That's not theoretical, that's measurable impact based on real case studies. You may be wondering, what kind of tasks organizations do automate? To be more specific, they automated email management and responses as prime example. So, data entry and processing with AI is a huge enabler. It's like hiring a data scientist. Meeting transcription and follow-ups, AI can save you a ton of effort. But most importantly, it improves project management significantly. It's having a project manager on steroids. Customer service inquiries, bots can serve your customers 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. Report generation and updates, inventory tracking and alerts. By automating these processes, we are not eliminating jobs. These are mundane tasks within jobs that keep our people from doing what they were actually hired to do. And so let's address the main question. What about my job? Usually this is the elephant in the room question. I know what some of you are thinking. What about our people? Here's what the data shows. 73% of workers believe technology can never replace the human. And 85% of managers said automation frees up time for strategic goals. This isn't about replacing people. It's about unleashing human potential. 90% of knowledge workers say automation improved their jobs. Isn't that fascinating? Okay, now what is the real business impact? In business terms, companies using AI agents report forcing for 70% improvement in employee satisfaction because they get to use their knowledge to solve real problems rather than mindlessly copy-paste data from one file to another. They report 66% boost in productivity and 10 to 50% time savings on manual tasks. That is real tangible transformation. But here's the critical point. 52% of business leaders believe 10 to 30% of daily tasks can be automated. We're not talking about science fiction here. Those are achievable goals. What kind of challenges we should expect? As exciting as it may sound to have an army of agents, there are issues that needs to be addressed. About 90% of automation projects fail due to technical issues. For example, data quality issues are cited as the number one inhibitor causing AI projects to fall short of expectations. One way to deal with it is to use Gen AI to find out where information needs to be improved and find out how to fix data quality. Another core problem is legacy systems and applications. In many cases, outdated applications are completely blocking AI adoption. 37% of projects failed because of implementation costs. 25% failed due to lack of vision or strategy. A survey by Writer 2025 and Workplace Intelligence found that 31% of workers had admitted to actively sabotaging their organization's AI efforts. Based on our experience, your AI agent implementation should start small. You should keep your team in the loop for decision making. Focus on employee experience, not just efficiency. You're asking, what's the potential impact on my organization? Business has changed. The world has changed. No-code solutions such as Meg.com and N8N are making AI agents accessible to everyone, even if they are not tech gurus. So here's my recommendation. Start with a small pilot project. Identify 1 to maximum 2 repetitive processes. Measure time saved, not just tasks automated. Keep your team in the loop. Make them active participants in the decision-making process. The companies that figured this out first, on average, reduced 25% of their time over their competitors. The bottom line is, I need you to initiate the first step. AI agents are freeing up human potential. The question isn't whether AI agents will change work, because the world has already changed. The question is how we can build agents that can be used as a competitive advantage. Don't waste your time. Involve teammates to pilot AI agents in one department next month. The investment is minimal. The potential upside is significant. And please reach out. Let me know. What questions do you have? What would you need to see to move forward? Leave your comments below. Until next time, it was Peter here. Keep innovating, keep transforming your business. We are experiencing an unprecedented change, equivalent to an industrial revolution.